It's been a long time that I've been away, but I have come back with a new video. Western Mumbai Hotel. This is Mumbai's largest commercial building. The interiors inside Western Mumbai Hotel are graded a 7-star rating, and any guest who wants to experience luxury dining and stay is most welcome to come in this Western Mumbai Hotel. The sky views from this hotel are breathtaking. Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Madhumita. I am back with a new vlog. I know I have not been consistent enough and I was really busy, because of which I couldn't upload any vlog. And I always think if there is going to be something special, then only I'm going to record. So finally that moment has come. There is a special news today. Anupam has recently won the Best Employee Award in his organization, and we are celebrating that. So, congratulations, Anupam, for winning the Best Employee Award, and for that, we have come here to Westin for having a celebration dinner. So, right now, I have just come here. It was a Friday evening, very squashed with work. We were almost working 13 hours a day and had no time to decide where to go. So finally we decided to come in Westin Hotel, which is a very celebrated hotel in Mumbai. And yeah, so right now we are here to celebrate Anupam's success for getting the Best Employee Award. Certain things that y'all should know as a viewer. Obviously we don't share what happens in our lives day to day, right? So let me tell you, as y'all know, like, we both work as internal auditors, cybersecurity auditors, and our life is so tough. Every day we have to work so hard to secure a lot of payment systems, banking systems, and ensure that there are no cyber attack happening for those organizations. And for that very purpose we have to work very hard, and we are auditors. It's our responsibility that we do that, so that the systems are secure and no attacks can happen. And yeah, so sometimes it can get very crazy and we feel very burdened because of that, and we don't get time at all. But the main point is, I'm so happy that Anupam got recognized by his organization. It's a huge thing, because obviously we continue doing our work, and we never realize how much we have progressed. And when something like that comes from his organization, this award, such a prestigious award, comes from his organization, I really feel very proud. So I'm really happy for him. I hope he continues to do such amazing work in his life. Traveling towards Westin Hotel, I think we both were returning from work, so we met halfway and then we took a common Uber so that we could go to the hotel and have some dinner. So yeah, already enjoying the travel, and obviously it's Mumbai, so traffic is going to be there during the night time. Hello from both of us, me and Anupam. So finally we have met after a huge work day, and yeah, we are here. Okay, so now we have entered the Western Park, where beautiful trees and greenery is maintained nicely. And now we are entering inside the Westin Hotel. The lobby looks so promising and so beautifully maintained, and the architecture around there was so breathtaking. This fountain was so nice. I really loved seeing these fountains over here. Westin is known for its hospitality and the design interiors that it has. So I thought, why not spend a calm evening over here so that we can relax? Hello everyone, right now we are in Mumbai's very famous hotel, Westin Mumbai, and very happy to come here for our dinner. We just finished our work and we have reached here just for having dinner and celebrating special things. See you all. Ah, usually washrooms are so neat, so tidy. Ever wondered what's the correct way to eat noodles? Just see this video. Mess free noodles eating. Once again, heartiest congratulations, Anupam. May you keep winning in every aspect of life. And we have come to the end of this beautiful video where we celebrated Anupam's success on winning the Best Employee of the Organization award. And before I leave, before I go, I just wanted to tell you all that I am so thankful to all you guys who are watching my video and liking this video. Genuinely telling you all, it really motivates me on bringing such videos every week, every time, and being more consistent. So kindly, you guys, please leave a comment on this particular video as well. Please like this video, share this video with your friends. It really helps us and it really motivates us. So guys, till the time I come up with another video, you guys take care, take good care of yourself, family, take rest, be happy, keep smiling, and see you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye bye, toodles. If you guys love my YouTube channel, please kindly watch all the videos that are showing on your screens. You will definitely enjoy it. And you can see the subscribe button. Yes, I know that you can see the subscribe button. So do subscribe, please. Bye bye.